Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report fraud on your account. You think something suspicious is going on with your Fundbox account? Well, here's exactly what to do if you suspect fraud. The first thing to do is to immediately log into your Fundbox dashboard. Go to fundbox.com and log in using your credentials. And then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once that's done, go to Help or Support Center. There you're going to select Report Fraud, or you can search for fraud in the help bar. Now just fill out the fraud report form with as much details as possible, unauthorized transactions, account changes, etc. Just go ahead and fill that up, and once it's done, submit the form. Fundbox's fraud team will investigate and get back to you as quickly as possible. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.